Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CrowdStrike Falcon for endpoint protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with CrowdStrike Falcon for endpoint protection, begin by navigating to the CrowdStrike website. Look for the Get Started or Free Trial button on the homepage. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a strong password to secure your account. Verify that you agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Once filled out, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from CrowdStrike. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will direct you back to the CrowdStrike Falcon platform. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, choose the option to set up your endpoint protection. Follow the prompts to select the appropriate deployment method for your organization. If prompted, download the installation files for the Falcon agent. Once the download is complete, run the installation file on your endpoint devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You may need to enter your CrowdStrike organization ID during installation. After installation, the Falcon agent will begin to communicate with the CrowdStrike servers. Return to the Falcon dashboard to monitor the deployment status. Once the agent is successfully installed on all desired endpoints, you can start configuring settings and policies. Explore the available features, including threat detection and response options. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard for ongoing monitoring and management. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and set up CrowdStrike Falcon for endpoint protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.